Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. There's a brief video showing you a little closer detail on our 1 3/8 PVC L-shaped retainer. Here it is. It measures 1 3/8 across and 1 inch from the very bottom to the top on the inside leg. The way this is installed is the inside leg goes up against the inside of the door. This rests on the bottom of the door. Screws are drilled in the bottom, or holes are drilled in the bottom, and screws are run in and attached to the bottom of the door. This accepts the common T-style 1/4 inch wide U-shaped weather seal like this. Simply slides right into the T channels on the bottom. Once that retainer is installed, you just slide the weather seal in, and there you have it. This is good, durable, sold in 55-inch lengths. You can combine lengths to get any width you want. Plenty of it in stock, ready to go. Thanks for watching.